What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Turbo John, and we're at the racetrack again. Woo, that sun's bright over there. Brian's car, Kildozer, is back at the track. We're at GALOT Motorsports Park. They've got a 28x10 race today. The track is putting it on. It's like, I think they said, it's like they're putting $2,000 on top of it, so it should be pretty good. I know Joey is here as well, so we'll go down there and try to talk to him, see how he's going to run. They're working on his. A lot of cars here. So we're racing mine tomorrow at Rico, so we decided we're just going to come hang out, help Brian with his, look at the data log. He got the solenoids fixed, so it's making boost now like it should. It's going to follow a boost curve and hopefully have more than just 4.9 pounds of boost. But we're excited. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Check it out. All right, guys, I just got down here and Joey's got here. He's already made one pass. I didn't get to see it, but Todd's sending it to me. So, Joey, what happened? A monster wheel stand. So I don't know if he's gonna make any full passes today. He's just working on it. Y'all ain't seen it in a minute, but this one is the stock block, right? So this is the stock block. He's got another one. What all records are you trying to get? Is it just stock? Anything stock 302 block? So I don't know if he's going to be doing all that today, but there it is. Hang on. God, that blower is bad.
I told him they disqualified him, and he looked at me. I said, the blower's not high enough.
It should be a good time. What's up? How are you doing? Good. Hey, how are y'all? Right.
What's Turbo John doing with all that money?
What's up? out there made a 60 foot, made it to about 60 foot, and then it cut off. And so it stalled out. So it looks like something's happened with the crank signal. We just done a diagnostic system log, and we got no crank signal. So that's what we're trying to figure out. Stop, never. It's still not seeing it. Usually it'll tell me that you gotta do it. Try to hold it in there and push it in there. Yeah, the mirror. You hold one side. You touch the side. Alright, here is small block boost. Forest, Scarlet Solutions. And that beautiful red Camaro. right, boy, there you go. There you go. Joey just made a heck of a pass. So that was a good pass. Y'all saw it on the boards. Saw it up there. 5:03 at 1:36. The record, what is the record? What's the actual record right now?
I think it's a 497.
497 is the actual record. So you're right there at it. I mean, it ain't even boost air yet.
No, it's hot.
It is coming together. They got a grudge race they're going to over there. So he's going to cool it down. I don't think he's going to make any more passes. Y'all seen this car a bunch on the channel. So stock block is what he's going for the record. All right, boys, but that's going to wrap it up. They're still racing. They're down to 3 cars in the fast class. Small block Nitrous is going up now, and small block Boost is going up behind them. But I'm tired. I got to go home. I got to get my car finished. I'm mostly done with it, but I got just a couple things to do. So we're going to be doing that, and we're going to be at Rico tomorrow. See, we're going to be at Rico tomorrow, so it's going to be fun. Comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all later.